Hi, I'm Anirudh Mathur. I came to Enhance to get a hair transplant done. I had heard about it from a lot of online research. A lot of cricket personalities had gotten it done from the clinic. That boosted a lot of confidence. After my first visit, I was given a very professional consultation by Dr. Manoj and Miss Arpita. Both of them were very patient with me, discussing all the options, the FUE versus the FUT, the exact amount of follicles I need, the designing. They were very patient with me. They explained everything very well. Uh, After one visit, I was decided that I'm going to get it done from here. Uh, I took a date well in advance because I was currently, I'm currently studying as well. So Enhance really made time for me in their schedule. The surgery happened 3 days back. It was a great operation. It was long, very long, but not that painful. The experience overall was very positive. I'm here now after getting my first shampoo done, and I'm really looking forward to the results.